Hi everyone. If you can hear the background music, it's very nice. Hi everyone. If you can hear the background music, it's very nice. Okay, let me start the stream. This is about discussing how the game development it is. Okay, let me say the best way. I want to do everything from scratch. So, uh, what to add? I need not to add anything.
When you are a sage stuck in city life, the thandi hawa around has taken a pause, and your endless coach leaves you in a cold mess. Then Yara, Indie India is the playlist for you. Best of indie music in one playlist. Playlist chala, Spotify, Sunteja.
New, creating a new project. The template will be uh, 2D, 3D, high definition, 3D. So let's start with 3D, which I think is okay. Download this, install, download it, install, download this, install, download this, install, download this, install, download the mobile 3D, download the mobile 2D, download the all AR. So basically, this is how the development will be. So what did it says? Learn the basic of 2D printing, FSP Universal 3D with extra. So I will be choosing either I can choose 3D or 2D. So Fox in a whole will be better for 3D. Yeah, just 30 minutes in. So let's create a new prod saying as Fox in Fox in a hole. Fox in the Fox in a hole. Fox in the hole. Fox in a hole. That's the caption of this project name or this game name. So let's create a 3D fox in a whole game. I don't know how good this will be, but starting from the basic stuffs, I will be guiding slow by slide. So create it. Okay, license is invalid. So uh, How to take this license? Unity. I have no idea. Let me check how to take this license. Project. Let me sign in. So here don't have much context. The company organization I run. So this is actually the starting thing. It says that basically in Unity I don't use in a professional capacity. The company or I represent and less than 1000 in gross revenue in the previous was Unity in a professional capacity. So what it says, let's search it. Unity personal. If Unity is approved is if you work for a charity education institute or non-commercial education with less than $1000. Okay, let's say that I am working in a company where is less than. So let's just do it done. So okay, personal Unity is great for beginners and hobby to get it. It includes access to all the game features, abilities, and activation. This is says up to 2021. Oh, today it got activated. So let me go back and check whether uh, what are the movements I should get. New, okay, Fox. Mhm. Fox in a hole. This will be the. So I will be basically start doing with a thread. Fox in a hole. So yeah, we got it, and I'm setting up the Unity engine. Uh, we should able to see it. Let's check it. Okay. It is. It will come up, guys. Just wait for a minute or two. Yeah, we got a Unity engine. Now let's start, guys. Start with the. Uh, where is the application? Indie game development. Spotify. So Fox in Hole. Let's check. I have not added it. So just now I have added it. So we will be seeing it in a while. Yeah, this is the engine we are using for that. I mean to say development. So let's go and check. Basically, first I start with step by step. There are so many things here, but the best thing here, this is not 20 inch, but it's uh, here I can check everything correctly. Uh, Now let's start with adding some assets. What will be the first thing I want to do here? Creating a
संडे के थॉट्स को भगाकर एक हाथ में
okay.
वैक्यूम क्लीनर, दूसरे में डस्टर लेकर आप रेडी हो गए फाइनली अकेले ही अपना रूम साफ करें। गेट चोर्स डन प्लेलिस्ट चलाकर क्लीनिंग शुरू करने ही वाले थे कि
Yeah, the Spotify music is off. I can. So, guys, playing from Spotify music, we get regular interval of ad after 5 to 6 minutes. That's the time a song playlist is normally used to be. But I'm thinking to do something. Yeah, let's do something. But basically, I have to develop this game. So basically, the concept is Fox in a Hole. This is the title. I have not thought about any storyline of this, but how I want to develop is that I have a title in mind. I don't have any storyboard or anything about it, but uh, the thing is that Fox in the Hole. It seems that it is related to fox. That's what it is. So the game is around a fox. Okay, but how I want to do it, that's the biggest concern in it. So should I do completely in a format like werewolves, where um, a half human, half fox type of like teen wolves, this like. So the concept is also good, and fox is also good, but how would I means do this story? That's the thing. So something should have reason to do it. So we should find that thing, but fox in the hole, um, a kind of I feel werewolf type of pattern, like what will be the special storyline? How can I do it better? I'm thinking the storyline itself is um, means should not have much what on the softer side, on the harder side. It should be correctly engaging our viewers. Like basically, title should itself only attract so many peoples. It should say uh, when a person can be fox, when he can't be able to fox. That's the main thing over this. So there will be different categories of foxes. So I used to search how many types of foxes are there. So let's search over it. Types of foxes. There's red fox, phoenix fox, arctic fox, gray fox, Tibetan fox, bat ear fox, stick fox, standard fox, crab fox, horex fox, swift fox, pampas fox, cossack fox, island fox, cojumal fox, pale fox. This all. So So the narrative of this is, mm we can create a fox story. Basically, uh, which will be the very cutest one that I am thinking about. So for modeling foxes, I have to understand how that things are done. So basically, we have, I mean to say, bat-eared fox, kit fox. So where should the story start? The story should start from an what jungle, not jungle. It should start from city also. Kind of weird how I'm presenting it. Uh, where how should I arrange the templates? So I had this thing. Uh, I want here uh, to model the what I mean to say. So many different storylines are coming. Like a baby is there, he becomes suddenly fox. The transformation of a werewolf. We can go in that way also, but I want a story where something it should be there for playing this game. Uh, Either I can make it totally into a fox story type of thing, where fox will be there and he will be a what play with what in a forest with their siblings, or else fox who turns up into a werewolf. That might be, but which is the engaging one? That's the thing I'm thinking. So always, always, always. I think about this. How the fox I can fox in a hole. What is the meaning of that? Let me search in Google. Fox in a hole. Fox in a hole when soldiers are protected in the business for free prior to engaging in the fox. The soldier wants to hear his segment tell him fox is in the hole. In other words, all soldiers. What is meaning is start to be completed? Say it was hole. So I can do the story better. How I mean to say is that if I have a fox, what would I want is it should basically start from small. Nobody should know anything about that. That was I thinking about. So a fox should be there, but it should be. Uh, fighting with its siblings regarding the color, caste, everything. So, uh, the good thing about is this is that the fox will be there, but mm, the story here is that mm, a next fox, fox should always be fighting with each other. No, 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 no. Mm, can't think of a good reason. Uh, how blessed it will be if the fox is. I can't create a Tarzan like story. So always think of this. If you do a fox and you change in the morning, okay, the thing is simple. When it's morning, uh, he will be changing into no, not this like fox. Why everybody want to get a story on fox?
When you unlock the power of premium, you are unlocking freedom. The freedom to download music and take it with you. Listen offline to save data. Plus, enjoy all your music ad free. Listen without limits and hear your favorite playlists without interruptions. Experience the power of premium. Tap the banner to learn more.
Fox will a small fox I mean, but it should be in a jungle. No one should know how the foxes has came alive. Yeah, you are right. The power of fox. Uh, should be in fox, but you don't have any basic skills. So yeah, let's do it. A fox will be there, but it's human only. But it will be from starting fox. But to change it, I have to use one key thing. It should change on its own when it's well. It is not during day and night. The To change it, um, it should be trained well with fox as everything. But the thing is that it should not be afraid of fire, because foxes are generally afraid of fire, but human fox will not be afraid of fire. Yeah, I've got it. My storyline. Let's create a small fox. Go with that. Basically, it's not a human. It's a fox only. But thing is that there should be some transfusion in between. So let me check. Not in the snow. The fox will be able to. Uh, it should not be in snow. It's should be in like not in desert. We should have different reasons for it. So like red fox. That was my goal. So go ahead. Okay. Now create something like. mm, so I should design something like this. Okay, I needed to do something like this. So, okay, let's start with the details. Let's create a green fields like um, where can I find green filters? Let me check. Okay, let me check how to add grass in Unity. So let me check the answer.
Textures and then add the texture, then some grass to our terrain. So to do this, you need to click on the little cross here. You need to edit textures and then press the or show you how to build a 3D world. To get started, we need to go to File, select New Project.
Okay, go to File, New Project, New Scene, New Project. Then New Project.
In this version, the version that I'm using at the moment is 2018, but to create a Unity account, now I'm going to select Create, I'm going to select Group,
Create
I'm going to
3D.
select Terrain.
Okay, now I have to go to and create. Where is the file? New scenes object, then hierarchy. Okay, create 3D object. Terrain. Okay. Okay, this is the terrain we have. Okay, how to move it? I'm not able to move it. Yeah, this is a terrain. So as of now in sample camera, we have main camera, direction camera, and terrain. So this is the one.
It's the first thing we need to add terrain. So you can use your wheel on the mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. So
Mm.
this is our terrain. The next thing we need to do is go to the asset store
Okay, now go to the our asset store.
and basically import the standard assets. Or you can actually add individual assets as well.
Now go to the asset store. Where is the asset store? Oh, this is the asset store. Okay, it's taking time to connect. Okay, let it connect. So
So
basically, when I go
search bar, let's type standard assets. That forces there for me.
standard assets,
So make sure you go to the filter, make sure you uncheck the on sale, scroll further down, make sure you select free, and
free
then
assets.
you
Okay,
scroll down. And this is the standard assets we are going to import. Give some a bit of select, import,
okay.
play, by clicking and dragging, place your sim to the left hand side, place your game and the asset store to the right hand side,
Game and assets right hand
place the
side.
project to the bottom. Yeah, the inspector place it there. And what you can do as well for the inspector, you can just close this tab.
Okay, Now we have a
What we
terrain.
can do is basically bring some grass to our terrain. So to do this, you need to click on the little brush here. You need to edit textures and then add the texture. I'm going to click here, select, and then we're going to turn the world.
Just wait a minute. I'm having a water ring. A break for 5 minutes. So basic.
For grass here. And then we're going to select grass rock. Double click it.
Okay,
And
we
then
have to
select our
select the
rock,
texture.
the grass
So,
rock
uh,
to our terrain. So to do this, you need to click on the little brush here. You need to
okay,
edit
inspector and
textures
terrain.
and then
Okay, let's go to inspector. I'm trying. Okay, okay, this is my ID. Okay, now let's go. Search for something like standard assets. Top free. Yeah, let's install this. Download, download, download. Okay, it says you have this Unity. Okay, let's accept it. It's not a big deal. It'll come it up. Uh, yeah, I got to see the coding. Let's import it afterwards. But ping it. Saved for later. Yeah, and okay, let this be in the front. Now go to scenes. Now go to terrains. These are the terrains we have. These are terrains list. This is paint terrain. This is paint trees. This is paint details as well as this is terrain settings. So there are five things as of now. So we will go for
then add this. You need to click on the little brush here. You need to edit text.
paint textures. So what we have to do, we have to just go and click on here. Yeah, we have this paint the terrains. We'll just paint the terrains. So basically,
Textures and then add texture.
then add textures,
I'm going to
edit textures, add textures. Go down, 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 down. Non-physics, new terrains. No, 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 not this. Uh, paint trees, paint trees. This is terrain settings. Should I see it? No, 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 not this. Uh, paint details. These are details. But we want paint trees, edit trees, refresh terrain colliders, create neighbor terrains, brushes. Okay, this is the brushes. But what we want is
click here, select, edit our terrain. So to do this, you need to click on the little brush here. You need to edit textures.
okay. After that, we have to edit the textures. So New brush. Okay. Now.
घंटों तक टाइपर सर्च करके चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज और कॉलेज के गाने ढूंढ ढूंढ
And
के
then we're going to select
आपने बनाई माय फेवरेट जैम्स प्लेलिस्ट। आपके इतने हाई क्वालिटी एफर्ट्स को स्टैंडर्ड साउंड क्वालिटी में एंजॉय करोगे।
grass, this grass here.
Get Spotify Premium
Okay.
and enjoy your songs in the highest quality. Tap the banner to know more.
Unity grass in 2 minutes. Okay, grass PNG we have. Paint details. Edit details. Okay, let's select this. Paint details. Edit details. Yeah, edit details. Add grass textures. Let me pause it. Yeah. Oh, not able to get the terrains. Let me check. Edit details. Add gas textures. This is the digital we are getting. Then okay, let us see grass. Grass.png. We have different grasses images, but the realistic grass image is the one we want. Something in the forest. In forest. Forest grass. This is the one. Let us open it. Okay. Free download. Free download. Yeah, it's not downloading. Hmm. Let me see some other one. This is a forest one. Yeah. Yes. So this is the one I have. I will be just taking the grass into the scenes. So digitally, I will try to put it here. So as of now, I have this grass. Now I'll try to edit details, add grass textures, and digital textures. I want to add this grass in it and add. So basically, what it happens? Uh, yeah, let's check the map. Okay, I added it, but I'm not able to find anywhere. Why? Let me delete this. New terrain. Oh, I deleted the train also. Better delete this also. Basically, what I will try to do, I'll try to add a something special like I've created terrain. We have this plus icon. Create terrain. Okay. Now beautiful terrain.
This is how fast YouTube is with Brave. Notice how there's no pre-roll ads? And here's how you. Hey guys, in this video we learned how to create beautiful landscape, two tree meshes, and number three, grass textures. For the terrain textures, I'm gonna use this outdoor ground texture pack.
Outdoor ground texture. So I will be downloading this outdoor ground textures. Let's go download outdoor ground textures. It's really difficult. Outdoor ground textures. We have it here. Japanese.
Pack. The things for the trees, I'm gonna use this conifer tree pack, and for the grass textures, I'm gonna use this grass flower pack. All these assets are available free on Unity Asset Store.
Yeah, I have this grass cloud pack. So let me download it. Okay, I got it. Next,
Alright, I have opened up Unity and downloaded all three assets. Creating terrain. To create a terrain, just right click, go to 3D object and choose terrain. And this will create a large terrain without any textures. If you want to change the width and length of this terrain, go to settings, and here you can define the width and the length of this terrain. For now, I keep everything to default. Next, to create any kind of shape, we need to sculpt this terrain. So for that, go to paint terrain section, and in the raise or lower terrain section, here you can choose different kinds of brush to sculpt our terrain. That
Let's say choose the section. Here you can choose different kinds of brush to step out terrain. Let's so for that, go to paint terrain section and in the raise or lower terrain section, here you can choose different kinds of brush to step out terrain. Let's say choose this brush, and here you can choose the brush size and the opacity
Okay.
and drag.
Now see the press. Import. We will try to import it. Yeah, we have this is a class for package inside assets. So we got one thing. The other thing is
Let me turn off the light so that you can see better. So use shift click to lower the terrain system. Here you can see we only have few options and also our terrain starts shaping. You can also use shift click to lower the terrain. Our brushes are very limited. Unity has released a new complete set of tools for advanced terrain creation. To implement the package, go to Package Manager. Let's start creating terrain. So for the terrain textures, I'm going to use
outdoor ground texture. Outdoor ground texture. Outdoor ground texture. Yeah, I got it. So Japanese material texture also is called outdoor ground texture is very free of cost. So I will be downloading it. Download, download, download. Yes, it's downloaded.
this outdoor ground texture pack. For the
Okay.
trees, I'm going to use this conifer tree pack. For the grass texture ground texture pack. For the trees, I'm
Conifers. Let me try to install the conifer. It's the low poly textures. This is also is free of cost, so let me download it. Okay, we have installed this one. Is it conifers is installed? Okay, I have installed the conifers. Now we have this terrain. We have to make the bulk of it. Mm, I have to see the YouTube and I have to say how to make the bulk of the terrains. It's a big mess. Grandfather is conifer is in port, and the one thing out. I feel little sleepy. Mm, I just sleep and let you know tomorrow. It's already late for me. But
I'm gonna use this
I'll try
particular
little the
black.
terrains at
And
least.
for the grass textures, I'm gonna use this dark. We only have few, but we want to change the width and to create a terrain, just right click, go to 3D object and choose terrain. And this will create a large.
Inside assets, go to 3D objects, terrains. Okay, let's see. And since this is the terrain we are getting, so basically I got this terrain.
Touch terrain without any textures. If you want to change the width and length of this terrain, go to settings and hit You can define the width and the length of this terrain.
Terrain width, terrain depth, right? Okay.
So now I keep everything to default. Next, to create any kind of shape, we need to scrub this terrain. So for that, go to paint terrain section, and in the raise or lower terrain section,
Club the terrain. Role of lower terrain. Mm, hello. I think so. They can hear me.
here you can choose different kinds of brush to step out, and in the raise or lower. So now I keep everything to default. Next, to create any kind of shape, we need to scrub this terrain. So for that, go to paint terrain section, and in the raise or lower terrain section, here you can choose different kinds of brush to step out terrain. Let's say choose this brush.
Choose a brush and increase it. Okay.
And here you can choose the brush size and the opacity, which is basically the strength of this brush. Then to scrub the terrain, simply click the mouse button and drag.
Okay.
Turn off the light so that you can see better, and drag. Let me turn off the light so that you can see better.
Turn on the light. This is terrain.
Search for terrain tools. Just click on the terrain tools and click on install. And also click on to stepped out terrain. So I click open in Unity, then select and search for creations are in. You can see we only have few options, and also our brushes are very limited. Unity has released a new complete set of tools for advanced terrain creation. To implement that package, go to Package Manager and search for terrain tools. Just
Package manager, terrain tools. So go to package manager. Windows package manager. Mm, let's do it tomorrow. That's what I'm thinking.